The camera on your iPhone is pretty good at understanding what you want to capture, and based on that, adjusting the focus to the subject you're capturing. As you move the camera, it'll constantly adjust and focus on what's in your frame. But if you want, you can use manual focus instead and tell the camera exactly what you want in focus. And you can also lock the focus so it doesn't constantly change as you move the camera. Doing this is really simple. When you have your frame set up, you'll press and hold the subject you want in focus. A little autofocus lock text appears on the top of your screen, indicating that you're working with a locked focus now. This will basically lock in the focus for the distance you had when you pressed and held the screen. I, for example, locked in the focus when my subject was close to the camera. So now, when I move the phone, only subjects that are close up will be sharp and in focus, and anything that's further out will be soft and blurry, out of focus. This works the same way for photos and videos, and especially for videos, this can be sometimes super useful. When your focus is locked, you'll also see a little brightness icon on your screen. You can drag your finger up or down on the screen next to the brightness icon, and it'll change your exposure. This is a locked exposure, meaning when you change it like this, it'll get locked and your phone stops automatically adjusting the brightness as you move your camera around. That's basically it. You can reset the focus and exposure by tapping anywhere on your screen. Now, the phone will automatically focus and set the exposure again based on what's in your frame. And to lock things to manual settings, you'll tap and hold until that lock text appears up top. And that's how you use manual focus on your iPhone. Click that like button if this helped you, and subscribe for more easy guides like this. Thanks all, until next time.